Hello, Catherine. I have one final video for you for the moment, and that is the installation of tempered glass and the rondel panel. You already know what the border is going to be like. The piece I sent you has the soft lead frame that we use when we're building a large window, and that lead frame happens to have a nice brass heart to it, so it adds quite a bit of structure to the piece. And so that is part of the measurement of the final size of the panel. And your contractor should take a look at that so that he knows what we're dealing with in terms of thicknesses for installation, and also the width of the framing for installation. A lot of people like to leave that framing showing because it's so beautiful, but that might not be feasible for this, and that's just an added thing to think about. That it doesn't really need to even be on the table right now, but I thought I would mention that to you if that's something that the customer likes. Otherwise, I think it's a 3/8 inch profile, and that can simply be hidden after everything's installed, and the contractor will know how to do that with a molding. So I wanted to show you how the rondel panel will work. Obviously, the rondels have a front to them, and again, you have a sample, so you know the nipple from the pontil stick comes right to the front here. So that makes this the front of the panel. So, and I'll show you, you can see that the back is flat and that the pontil stick nipples come to the front. So when we do an installation with a rondel panel up against glass, whether it's existing glass or again putting a piece of tempered in to keep it safe, what would happen is the tempered glass would be installed in the door first, and then the rondel panel with the pontil spots up would be installed second. And as you can see, the two of these fit very nicely together. Now there is that little bit of extra space because of the framing, but that's just part of the mechanics of it. So what happens is this flat section goes against the existing glass, and again, if we go forward with this project, I can speak to the contractor, and in the big picture you really don't even notice that the glass is there, whether you're looking front or back. Of course, you want it really clean before you do the secondary installation, but that's sort of how that works. So the side with the texture and the relief must be facing whichever side of the door the people spend more time on, because it does look very flat in the back, but that's the nature of the beast. So you're going to pick a side of the door where if the door is closed, that's the side you're really going to enjoy the rondels. Okay, so just a quick touch base on that for you.